So we've got a 110 V8. Whilst we're putting an exhaust on one of our OJZ V8 exhausts, we thought we'd see what it sounded like without anything attached to the, what would you call it, the centre silencer?
Yeah.
And throughout the back of the exhaust. So, Nathan, how does it sound? I think, I don't know, what do you think?
I think it's going to sound infinitely better.
Go on then. I thought it was going to sound, you know when an old car blows? And just like, I thought it was going to sound... Yeah. Well, that guy's going, oh man, it sounds cool this.
Just have a listen on the tip over there.
Just give it a cool
Now it sounds like a cigar.
Yeah, I thought, I mean we're in the warehouse as well.
Yes!
Yeah,
Rasp!
with it reverberating around the room.
So basically what we're saying is that rather than spending thousands on an exhaust, you just remove
Just take it off. I think Land Rover might have something to say with that. I think the police and the Vosa.
Yeah, emissions.
Definitely car exhaust, so about as well.
Yeah, I'm sure we can put some video on or some photos of it. Is what you call exhaust porn, isn't it?
It is weld porn, exhaust porn, and it's
The
all
guy
porn.
knows what he's doing.
Stainless porn.
And if you want to book in to get your car done with him, it'll take you about 3 years because it's fully booked in.
So you have to come through us.
Well, no, he wouldn't do it anyway because he only does it as a favour to me.
No, fair play. You have to go through Jamie.
Yeah, fucking go through me.
Go chap up.
Oh, you go down there.